Nasira na kasi yung isang lawnmower, kaya yun, nagbili ng isa. Ayan, ina-unload kanina kasi ginamit yung trailer. Nag-haul ng yung lawnmower nga. Ayun, ibabalik na po yung bike sa trailer. Ayan lang guys, ang video natin for today. Unloading. Kasi ina-unload yun kanina yung bike kasi ginagamit yung trailer.
This is a
Tapos
small one. It's small.
mag-loading na naman ulit. Ibabalik na
I
naman.
never ride this one yet.
Ayan guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe. Bye.